So let's go across to Assam, where 19 lakh people who were excluded in the Assam NRC, which was published in August 2019, who've been waiting for a year and a half for their rejection slips so that they can pursue their citizenship claims at the foreigners' tribunals. Now, the Registrar General of India is yet to notify the citizens list, keeping it bereaved of any legal sanctity. And the Assam NRC authorities, in an affidavit at the Guwahati High Court, have hinted at the possibility of close to 3 lakh ineligible people on the NRC list who might lose their citizenship claims in future. Now, lawyer activists claim that this is an attempt to reopen the Assam NRC, something that has been a strong BJP demand. What would the fallout of this be? Ratnadeep Chaudhary explains.
It's a gross abuse of the process of law because certain exercises are to be done by the Honorable Supreme Court. Certain applications are pending before the Honorable Supreme Court. What the NRC coordinator is now trying to do is that he is simultaneously opening up a front before the Honorable High Court, Guwahati High Court. In fact, Guwahati High Court was nowhere monitoring this kind of matters, only Supreme Court was monitoring it.
Anger in Assam over attempts by NRC authorities to reopen state's controversial citizens list. The final list was published last year, but the BJP government has claimed it was full of errors. A new NRC coordinator was brought in, who seems to be taking the BJP's line, telling the High Court in an affidavit that the list may have close to 3 lakh ineligible names. Some say this only confirms he is pushing a political agenda.
Whatever he has stated in the affidavit, we have learned in several days before or months before from various speakers of certain political groups. So it suggests that this person is acting as a speaker of certain political groups. I think it should be brought before the Honorable Apex Court that he is not only arbitrarily issuing notice, but he has also brought certain things which actually falls within the purview of the Apex Court.
The BJP sees the NRC affidavit as a validation of its claims. The party vows to bring a true NRC ahead of the 2021 Assam polls, which are just 6 months away.
Unless true NRC doesn't come up, BJP will not accept the NRC. It's very clear stand. But at least for the satisfaction of the state government and the people of Assam, 20% re-verification for the border district and 10% re-verification for the rest district can be done.
Being a main petitioner, we are moving to Supreme Court with the affidavit filed in the High Court.
All eyes will be on the Supreme Court on whether the Apex Court will be able to clear up the legal tangles and ensure a closure for the Assam NRC, or would political agendas taint the process. In Guwahati, Ratnadeep Chaudhary for NDTV.